In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spreadsheet Sync to QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you're managing your business finances, QuickBooks Online Advanced is a powerful tool to keep things organized. And with Spreadsheet Sync, you can seamlessly integrate your financial data with Microsoft Excel, making it easier to analyze and share insights. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can get started quickly and efficiently. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online Advanced account, be sure to check the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign in to your QuickBooks Online Advanced company. Make sure you're logging into the right account for the business you want to connect. Once you're signed in, confirm that Microsoft Excel is installed on the same computer you're working on. This is important, as the integration depends on Excel being available. Now look toward the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online Advanced screen. There, you'll find a small gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open the Settings menu. In the drop-down menu that appears, locate and select the option labeled Spreadsheet Sync. Once you've clicked on Spreadsheet Sync, you'll be guided through an intuitive setup process provided by Intuit, the company behind QuickBooks. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully as they walk you through the steps. During the process, your browser might prompt you to open links. When this happens, make sure to click Allow. If your browser displays a message asking for permission to open an external application, or if you see a prompt to proceed to Microsoft Excel, make sure to click Allow or Open. These permissions are necessary for the connection to work properly. If you encounter any pop-up warnings or notifications about opening external applications, don't worry. Simply grant permission for the action. Some browsers may treat this as a security precaution, but it's safe to proceed in this case. Next, when Microsoft Excel launches, you'll be prompted to trust the Spreadsheet Sync add-in. Make sure to approve this step so the add-in can be installed and function correctly within Excel. After the add-in is installed, sign into Excel using your Intuit Account credentials. This is the same account you used earlier to access QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you manage multiple companies with your Intuit account, you'll need to select the correct company from the list during the sign-in process. As you complete the sign-in, you may be asked to go through some standard account verification steps, such as entering a code or confirming your identity. Simply follow the prompts to verify your account. Once everything is set up, you're ready to start using Spreadsheet Sync to work with your QuickBooks data directly within Excel. You'll now be able to connect, manipulate, and analyze your financial data in a familiar spreadsheet environment. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.